Hi Geniuses! Today we're going to work on one of my most favorite math tools, and that's the factor tree. Factor trees help us find every single factor for a particular product. Remember, factor is the math word that we use to describe the numbers that we multiply together to find a product. Today I'm going to show you how to make a factor tree, and then I'm going to give you an opportunity to try it yourself. So we're going to get started right now. The first product that I want to find the factors for is the number 12. You always start your factor tree with the product prominently placed at the top. Next, you draw two sticks coming out of the tree trunk, and on each one you write one of two numbers that when you multiply them together gives you that product. So I'm going to do 6 and 2. 6, 2. Because 6 times 2 equals 12. Now we have more trunks to work off of. 6. I have to think what two numbers, when multiplied together, give me 6. 3 and 2. So 3 and 2. And 2. What two numbers, when multiplied together, give me 2? Well, just 2 and 1. When you get to a point where you've ended up at a 1, that means that that branch of the tree has been completed. So we just have to finish our work on this branch of the tree. To get 3, all we can do is 3 times 1. So this branch is completed. And for 2, 2 times 1. Because we've gotten to 1 in all of our branches, our factor tree has been completed. All of the numbers that make up our branches are the factors for 12. In this case, 1, 3, 2, and 6 are the factors of 12. And just so you know, 1 is actually a factor of every single number. Any number, in our case 12, divided by 1 is 12. Any number divided by 1 will give you that number. It's as if we're saying, we have 12 apples and we divide them among one person. How many apples does that person get? Well, just one person. That person gets all 12 apples. So now we have all of the factors. Now what I'm going to ask you to do in 1 minute is pause the video and try this yourself. The product that I want you to find the factors for is 15. Remember, you want to work until you've gotten to 1 on all of the branches. You can pause the video now. Alright, Geniuses, welcome back. We're going to go through your factor trees so you can see how it works and if you got the correct factors. So as always, we start with our tree trunk, which is our product. We draw two branches off of the tree trunk and put two numbers that when multiplied together, two factors rather, when multiplied together give you the product. In this case, 5 and 3. Because I haven't gotten to a 1 yet, I must continue. For 5, it's just 5 and 1. So I know this branch is done because I got to a 1. Then 3 and 1. And this branch is done too. There's that 1 that tells me to stop. So the factors of 15 are 1, as with any other number, 3, and finally 5. For those of you who found this, excellent job. For those of you who had a little bit more trouble, don't worry. We're going to do another example now. And remember, the more we practice and the more we work, the better it will be. So the one that I want you to try now is the number 36. Please pause the video now. Do your best to make a factor tree of 36, and when you're ready, you can press play again. Excellent, welcome back. As we said, we're going to do 36 now. So, first factors, 8 and 4. But we're not at 1, have to keep going. For 8, 4 and 2. And for 4, 2 and 2. Why? 2 times 2 equals 4, and 4 times 2 equals 8. Gotta keep going though. 2 times 2 equals 4 again. 2 times 1 equals 2. This one is all done. 2 times 1 equals 2. Same with that one. 2 times 1 equals 2. That means I only have 1 left to deal with. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. That means that the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. I hope you have enjoyed making factor trees today. It will come in particularly handy when we're simplifying fractions. Have an excellent day and keep practicing your factor trees.